introduce to you in a very short description what is School Governance Council. This policy aims to recognize and strengthen the role of school stakeholders alongside the local government unit as partners in providing learners accessible and quality education, upholding rights of the children, and promoting respect and well-being of the learning environment to ensure effective delivery of instructions. The School Governance Council can help the school itself and the administrator of the school to better facilitate these or to address these issues and concerns. And that's the reason why we are strictly implementing the School Governance Council for both elementary and secondary schools. At dami namin issues na natanggap na na-resolve ng School Governance Council. One of those is yung class suspension.